Welcome to Nursing Prep. Push yourself in nursing preparation with Smart Way. Practice this quiz on www.thestudyblog.com. Nursing process. Once a nurse assesses a client's condition and identifies appropriate nursing diagnoses, A. Option A. Plan is developed for nursing care. Option B. Physical assessment begins. Option C. List of priorities is determined. Option D. Review of the assessment is conducted with other team members. Right answer is Option A. Plan is developed for nursing care. Planning is a category of nursing behaviors in which Option A. The nurse determines the healthcare needed for the client. Option B. The physician determines the plan of care for the client. Option C. Client-centered goals and expected outcomes are established. Option D. The client determines the care needed. Right answer is Option C. Client-centered goals and expected outcomes are established. Priorities are established to help the nurse anticipate and sequence nursing interventions when a client has multiple problems or alterations. Priorities are determined by the clients. Option A. Physician. Option B. Non-emergent, non-life-threatening needs. Option C. Future well-being. Option D. Urgency of problems. Right answer is Option D. Urgency of problems. A client-centered goal is a specific and measurable behavior or response that reflects a client's Option A. Desire for specific healthcare interventions. Option B. Highest possible level of wellness and independence in function. Option C. Physician's goal for the specific client. Option D. Response when compared to another client with a like problem. Right answer is Option B. Highest possible level of wellness and independence in function. For clients to participate in goal setting, they should be Option A. Alert and have some degree of independence. Option B. Ambulatory and mobile. Option C. Able to speak and write. Option D. Able to read and write. Right answer is Option A. Alert and have some degree of independence. The nurse writes an expected outcome statement in measurable terms. An example is Option A. Client will have less pain. Option B. Client will be pain-free. Option C. Client will report pain acuity less than 4 on a scale of 0 to 10. Option D. Client will take pain medication every 4 hours around the clock. Right answer is Option C. Client will report pain acuity less than 4 on a scale of 0 to 10. As goals, outcomes, and interventions are developed, the nurse must Option A. Be in charge of all care and planning for the client. Option B. Be aware of and committed to accepted standards of practice from nursing and other disciples. Option C. Not change the plan of care for the client. Option D. Be in control of all interventions for the client. Right answer is Option B. Be aware of and committed to accepted standards of practice from nursing and other disciples. When establishing realistic goals, the nurse Option A. Bases the goals on the nurse's personal knowledge. Option B. Knows the resources of the healthcare facility, family, and the client. Option C. Must have a client who is physically and emotionally stable. Option D. Must have the client's cooperation. Right answer is Option B. Knows the resources of the healthcare facility, family, and the client. To initiate an intervention, the nurse must be competent in 3 areas, which include Option A. Knowledge, function, and specific skills. Option B. Experience, advanced education, and skills. Option C. Skills, finances, and leadership. Option D. Leadership, autonomy, and skills. Right answer is option A. Knowledge, function, and specific skills. Collaborative interventions are therapies that require. Option A. Physician and nurse interventions. Option B. Nurse and client interventions. Option C. Client and physician intervention. Option D. Multiple healthcare professionals. Right answer is option D. Multiple healthcare professionals. Thanks for watching. You can also practice this quiz on www.thestudyblog.com, link in description box. If you have any doubt, ask in comment section, and you like our video, then do like, comment, share. Subscribe our channel for regular updates.